Hello dreamers, thank you for opening this video. Today's video, I'm going to take you through on how to answer the question, why the university? If you're someone that is preparing for your visa interview to come to the United States, first of all, I want to wish you the best of luck in advance. So today's video, we are going to look at certain things that you need to say when you go for your interview if you are asked this question. But before we dive into the question, few things I want to say, maybe if you not looked at some of my videos. We don't have any specific questions. People do say yes, these are common questions they do ask. As much as I would want you to prepare for those questions, but also don't be too conservative, mean like fixed mindset. These are just the questions. Just have an open mind that I will be asked any question, which is why it is very, very much important for you to treat your visa interview as if it is just a conversation. As I have said, basically, you are going to have a conversation with someone who has seen your document and now wants to know you in person, who wants to hear from you. So if they ask you, so that's basically it's just an interaction. Okay, it's a conversation you're going to have with someone whom you don't know, but he has seen your document. Okay, so I'm going to give you the red lines before we go to the positive. When you are asked, when you go for that interview and you get this question, why the university? Some of the things you should not mention. Don't mention because of the clubs. What has that got to do with your degree? You know? So, what has that got to do with your degree? How is that going to benefit you positively? However, if those clubs are going to benefit you positively, like in your career path, you might want to mention them. Okay? Then the environment, because they have the coolest weather and all of that. You know, those are not convincing reasons why you have selected the university. Okay? And the other one, like social life, I don't know how to put it basically, but those are just not too important reasons. Now, the truth is that you selected that particular university. The truth is that, one, they offer the course that you want to study. That's one of the first thing. Secondly, you have already decided to go to that university now because they gave you an offer. Yes, that's one. And either because, again, they gave you the highest amount of scholarship, which, of course, as international students, that's one of the key things. Most of us will just choose to go to a university. And don't mention because your family or you have a friend, okay, in that university, and you think going there, that of your friend will help you and all of that. No. So now, these are my tips. Or would I say, these are the reasons I think you should mention when you ask this question. First of all, has to do with the course content. You have selected this university because you believe that you've looked at the course content, the course curriculum, and that what that program offers, if you are able to do your master's in that particular university upon completion or upon completing that degree, you believe that you will be well equipped going back to your home country. I'm not here to talk about home ties, but I want to emphasize this. Whatever question you mention during your interview, you have an opportunity to mention your home country and how that question relates to your home country. Please mention that so that you will save yourself from the question, what are your ties to your home country? Okay, or any question of short that surrounds them wanting to prove that you are coming back to your home country. So whatever opportunity you have, mention your home country. And how does the course content or course curriculum would benefit you coming back to your home country, putting that knowledge, theoretical or practical knowledge you've gained, will help you to succeed in your career path coming back to your home country, or because we have limited expertise in that particular field, and that university, okay, has excellent professors, and maybe you've been in contact with one or two, you can just mention, okay, you believe that through their mentorship, you will come back with excellent results or excellent or the required knowledge that will help you to fill in that gap in that particular industry. Another reason why you selected university is that among the universities, oh, just be frank, this is why I said you are going to have a conversation. Tell the VO that, as international students, one of the problems, or why most of us are not studying in these universities that have professors that have been in their areas for so long, or that knows exactly their area of study, or that have done so well, have done so much in terms of research, is because we don't have the necessary funding. Studying in the US is very expensive. So among the universities I applied to, this university, aside from the fact that they offer the course I want to study, and the course curriculum is what exactly I'm looking for, they also gave me the highest amount of scholarship. And that has helped me so much, because I know I have less to think about when it comes to funding. So that will give me time to focus on my studies for me to get the best out of the degree I want to obtain, which will help me coming back to my home country. Mention your home country. Even if it's 100 times, mention your home country. And when you do so, do that with passion. Okay? So the other reason why I said this, because of the scholarship, and the other one might be because among the universities, it's one of the most responsive university, is the most responsive university amongst all. What am I saying? There are certain universities you apply to, they give you offer letter, and that's the end. You reach out to them for them to get back to you, it will take like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. But there are certain universities, once you send them emails, they are ready to be with you. And if you are in your home country, you've already seen that connection. You believe that going or coming to US where you don't know anyone, just except the department, you know that you will be able to thrive well in that environment. And that has given you so much confidence that you can do well, will help you to basically pass whatever phase, difficulties you may face during the start of your course. Because now you have people that cares about you, or people that want you, or people that are ready to listen to your queries. Okay, so because of this, you are confident that you will come to that university and be successful, and that will help you to just focus on your studies and get the best from your studies and go back to your home country and be able to change the stories. Mention your home country, even if it's 100 times. I'm saying it again. Now, the other reason why you have selected the university is that, as I said, maybe it offers the best among the universities you apply to, and looking at the course content, you will learn more from that university than any other universities you've applied to. And I'm saying this, I'm comparing because I assume you applied to more than one university. Okay, so guys, once you're asked, why the university. Don't mention things that will not help you to go academically. Mention things that you know will help you concentrate on your studies and be able to go back and give back to your home country or your community. Okay? So guys, I don't know if what I've said makes sense. But if it has, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing for subsequent videos. I've uploaded so many videos already on this channel regarding scholarships and even visa interview. I've answered some questions. Okay? So that's it. Guys, I wish you the very best in this nerve-wracking process. See you in my next video, and don't forget to share this content. Bye bye for now. See you again.